Hi there, Kim here. Hope you're doing fantastically well. I haven't been on really doing some music or art or anything because my mother is ill and she's in hospital the past while. She has an illness that she's not recovering from. So it's just been very difficult at the moment, and I'm just trying to cope with things. I'm trying to cope with what's happening with her and coping with the situation, altogether. So I'm just at home at the minute, just, tidying up and doing her bits and pieces of washing and things like that because the hospital doesn't do those sorts of things, you have to do them. So I'm just getting on with those and tidying the place, as I said. I've been looking into doing some of my projects. I've bought some materials and things like that to maybe try and do some stitching projects. I enjoyed doing the last one, and there's music there that I have as well, and but I need to work on a video for the music. So I'm just trying to get things done as I can because my mum is priority at the moment, and that's taking up all my time. So please bear with me, and I hope you just follow. You can follow the pages there anyway. There's videos up there on YouTube and things like that. So keep having a look at those. There's plenty there. I've over 200 odd videos there, so there's plenty to see, and you can check those out. There's videos and music on Spotify and Facebook and Instagram. But like I say, there's some art projects I'm working on as well, just doing some sketching and things as well in between. And like I say, I've bought some materials. I'm just trying to tidy around the house and things, so I'm getting there. But just bear with me, and I hope you stay with me and check out the pages. And so take care anyway for now. We're having great weather at the minute, so trying to tidy the garden and things like that, just trying to tidy things around a bit. So I hope you're keeping well yourselves, and maybe we'll get chatting again soon. So thanks for being with me, and take care for now.